What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Gold just went through one of the most dramatic moves we have seen in weeks. A massive crash followed by an equally powerful recovery. And right now, price is sitting at very interesting crossroad heading into March 4th. I have got three high probability trade setup lined up for you today. Each one with a clear entry, stop loss, and take profit level. Make sure you watch to the end because the third setup has the best risk to reward of all three. Let's get into it. Let's start with the big picture. On the 1 hour chart, gold has been in a strong uptrend since February. Price climbed all the way from 4,500 area up to 5,420 near the start of March. That was a stunning $900 rally. But then, this is the key part. We saw an extremely sharp sell-off. Price crashed from 5,420 all the way down to 5,000 in a very short period of time. This is a $420 drop. A lot of traders got stop out on that move. Now let's move to the 5-minute chart. Now on the 5-minute chart, we can see today's price action more clearly. After hitting that low near 5,005, buyer step in with real conviction. Price has been climbing steadily all session, pushing through to 5,181 and now sitting at 166. This is a classic V-shaped recovery. The question now is, does gold continue this recovery and push to reclaim higher level, or does it run into resistance and roll over again? This is exactly what our three setup are designed to answer. Let me walk you through the key level for today so you know exactly where to ask. Resistance zone is 5,200. Resistance zone is around 5,200 and 5,220. And then 5,280 to 5,300. And then 5,380 to 5,400 is the major ceiling. Support zone. Support zone is around 5,150. Second support zone is 5,100. Third support zone is around 5,000. Current price is sitting right at 5,160. That puts us between immediate support at 5,150 and the first resistance at 5,200. This is the battleground zone for today's session. Let's jump into the trade idea one. I will be looking for my trading. The first setup is buy the pullback, and given the strong V-shaped recovery we are seeing, this is the setup I personally find most compelling for today. The idea here is simple. Gold has been recovering strongly from 5,000 low. If price pulls back into 5,150 to 5,265 demand zone, we get a bullish confirmation candle, a bullish engulfing, a hammer, or a pin bar. That is your entry signal. This zone has acted as a stepping zone during the recovery, and buyers have defended it consistently. So let's show you more clearly the trade setup I am looking for. That is buy the pullback. My entry would be 5,150. Stop loss would be 5,125. TP1 would be 5,215. TP2 would be 5,255. TP3 would be 5,300. My bias is buy. And now let me share you the trade idea to sell from resistance. The second setup is a sell from resistance, and this one is for traders who want to play the possibility that gold's recover runs into a wall. Price is currently pushing up toward the 5,200 zone. This area was a key consolidation area before the crash, and it is now acting as an overhead resistance. If gold reaches that zone and prints a bearish rejection candle, a shooting star, a doji, or bearish engulfing, that is your short signal. And for that sell from resistance trade, my entry would be 5,200, stop loss would be 5,245, TP1 would be 5,160, TP2 would be 5,125, TP3 would be 5,080. Now, trade idea 3, the continuation breakout chart. The third, let me at first change to 1 hour chart. The third setup is continuation breakout buy, and this one has the best reward ratio of all of the 3 trade ideas that I am looking for, but it requires the most patience. Here is the scenario. If gold powers through the 5,200 to 5,220 zone, and we get a clean 1 hour candle goes above 5,220, that signals that the bulls are full back in control. The recovery from 5,000 becomes a continuation move, and gold has a clear path toward declining the 5,280 to 5,300 area, and eventually pushing back toward the previous high. So for that trade, my entry would be around 5,222 after 1 hour close above the 5,220 zone. My stop loss would be around 5,190. My target 1 would be 5,270. Target 2 would be 5,310. Target 3 would be 5,360. The entry rule is strict. Wait for a full 1 hour candle body to close above 5,220. A week above doesn't count. You need conviction from the buyer, not just a hook above the level. Let's quickly recap everything for you today on March 4, 2026. Buy the pullback, entry would be around 5,150. Sell the resistance, entry would be around 5,200. Breakout buy, entry would be above 5,220 after 1 hour close. So gold is at a pivotal moment right now. The recovery from 5,000 is impressive, but there is significant resistance over it. Trade the level, wait for confirmation, and always give your stop loss. If this analysis helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It genuinely supports the work I put into these videos every day. Drop a comment below and let me know which setup you are watching today. I read every single one. Stay disciplined, protect your capital, and I will see you in the next one. So good luck.